Okay, this is a demonstration on how to use the Google Ad Preview tool. So the best way to find the tool is to just do a Google search for it. So I typed in Google Ad Preview, and of course the very first organic link will be the right one for that particular tool. So it will drop you into AdWords. It may require you to have an actual AdWords account, in which case you can just set one up and then go ahead and find the link again and click on it, and it'll drop you into a window that looks very similar to what you see here. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in just a minute so it's easier for you to see on this demo. So typically all I'll do is type in the dealership's DBA, so I'll use San Francisco Toyota in this example, and what I want to do is change the location so that the dealership's city name or zip code, even better, will be used for the results. So Toyota San Francisco zip code is right in front of me. I just don't see it. Here we go. No zip code. Alright, so let's go to the website. And it's 94118. I'll drop that in here, select. Keep it as a desktop. We can certainly toggle between mobile and desktop, but for this example I'll just go ahead and use that and hit preview. So the reason why we use this tool is so that your personalized prior search history is not taken into consideration when Google returns the results for the search term that you just saw there. So what that means is if we are region personnel or dealership personnel or Shift Digital personnel, we probably have a lot of prior searches that Google is going to take into consideration when returning organic results to us. We don't want that. We want this to be a virgin search results page, and so this is why we use the Ad Preview tool, because it will not take into account any of your specific history. So that's why we need to tell Google where we're located, or at least have it return results as if we're located in the dealership city or ideally zip code. And then you can see exactly what a brand new user on a brand new computer who is sitting in San Francisco would see if they typed in the term that you saw there. So this is usually what we'll look for, and in this example SF Toyota did show up number 1 in organic, which is what we wanted to see. Depending on your program, depending on your region, you may also want to report back as to where the dealership showed up in terms of paid search as well. So San Francisco Toyota is number 2 in paid, buyatoyota.com is number 1, and then interestingly enough, Berkeley Toyota, dealership very close of course, is showing up in the 3rd paid spot, and then the 4th, and so on along the right rail. So that's just a very quick tutorial on how to use the Google Ad Preview tool. Again, the entire reason why we do this is to make sure that we're getting unaffected results for the SERP portion of the digital review that we'll be conducting for Toyota stores. Any questions, give me a call. Dan Maynard, 714-225-8432.